In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and thumbnail in Beehiiv. Whether you're just getting started or looking to update your branding, these straightforward steps will help you customize your Beehiiv publication with ease. Let's begin by logging into Beehiiv and heading straight to your dashboard. This is your main control center where you can access all the tools you need to manage your publication. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand panel. Here you'll see a list of options that helps you navigate through the platform. Now scroll down to find the settings option at the bottom of this panel. Go ahead and click on it. Next, if you manage multiple publications, you'll need to select the one you want to update from the drop-down menu. This is a handy feature, especially for those who oversee various projects, as it ensures you're making changes in the right place. Once you've selected your publication, your settings will automatically open up to the General Info tab. This section contains all the basic and essential information about your publication. You'll want to focus on the publication logo area. Here you'll see an option to browse or upload your logo. Click on the designated box to browse through your files. Select the logo you wish to use and upload it. If you already have a logo and simply want to update it, you can do so by clicking on the current logo. For those looking to optimize the appearance of your publication, it's recommended to use a logo image size of 800 by 800 pixels. This ensures that your logo looks crisp and professional across all devices and screen sizes. It's these small details that can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your brand. Once you upload or update your logo, you don't need to worry about saving changes manually, as Beehiiv takes care of that for you. The platform will automatically save your new logo and a reassuring logo saved message will appear. It's always nice to have that confirmation that your updates are safely stored. And there you have it, your logo is now updated in Beehiiv. Following these steps not only personalizes your publication but also strengthens your brand identity. Remember, clear branding through logos and thumbnails is crucial, as it makes your content easily recognizable to your audience. I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to update your logo on Beehiiv. Thanks for watching and happy branding.